Welcome back to the channel, back with another video on the V4R. I'm just continuing the ride from last time, but what we're doing right now is a little exciting. As you guys saw from the last video, I put on some more carbon pieces on this bike, and now I'm going with my friend to the Ducati dealership. Oh, I did not see the light. Yeah, we're going to the Ducati dealership because finally the 2022 V4s are there. The new models with the new design is there. I'm excited to see them, and I also want to check to make sure if the new belly design with the extra fins and all that fits on this bike, because that's my plan for this bike. I'm trying to get that new updated design belly for the bike. I think it's going to look great and it's going to be very unique. It should fit, but you know, we want to go and make sure that it does, and also want to check out the new bike. That's a cool R1. There it is, right there in the flesh. New tank and everything. Also, let me show you guys the carbon piece that we put on in the last video. This piece right here, which goes all the way to here. So I think it really ties down the tail together really nicely. Whoops, I just almost ran into the new Ducati, but this is it. Little thumbnail action right here. So that's what I'm talking about. This belly piece, as you guys can see, looks very different from that actually. I wonder if this would fit. Yeah, V4S. I think the S is the one that comes with the red seat. That's interesting. I don't know how I feel about the red seat, but you see this belly piece? I want that on that in carbon. So far it looks like it fits. It's pretty different, but the black on that piece is throwing me off from comparing the two. Look like it's not there. Yeah. No plastic. That's why I would get it in carbon anyways, but it does look like it's like the exact same fit almost. Oh wow, I like how they blacked out all of this, the rear set, all of that. Look, mine is like silver, and then this is the aftermarket one, which is black. It used to be all silver, now it's all black. Looks way cleaner. New tank design, and I don't think I like the new wings. They definitely look a little better in person than in pictures, the new wings, but I think I like the old style better. They're too skinny. Looks good though. The new tank design too. Supposedly better grip. Let's see what they have inside. What? They still have the Superleggera V4 V4J. This is crazy. So that's the design I'm trying to do. You see how it's carbon here, and just wrap the rest. I know. Work of art. I want to ride it. There's way less Superleggeras than the usual. Oh, I love the 959. Young me, that was the dream bike. And interesting, that's an older model V4S. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the new design in the comments. I'm very unsure about the whole red right here and this. I definitely like this. I think I like the tank. I feel like this gives it a little more, you know, aggressiveness. I am not a fan of the wing at all though. I think it's too skinny. I don't know. It doesn't look bad, but I think this one looks way aggressive. Like better. Yeah, that needs to go like right away. I also love what they did with the rear set, so it's all like blacked out now. Mine used to be all silver, but I replaced it with an aftermarket Ducati bike rear set, so now we have silver with black over the full black over here. The little Italian flag, I just noticed that. The wrap right here on this piece But yeah, which one would you guys choose? You guys like the new design, or do you prefer the old one better? There's pros and cons. As I said, I like the belly piece and the tank a little bit better, but everything I like better on this one. Oh, and the rear sets on this one. But the wings is a big thing for me, and I really don't like these wings. So, I don't know. It's not bad. Supposedly it rides way better, so it's more tameable, since people are complaining that Ducatis were wild horses, which they are. Ready? I actually think RS V4 sound better than Ducati's. He's getting a new exhaust on his bike because the SC he currently has is not loud enough. As soon as the sun starts going down, it starts to get chilly. He's doing the weird idling thing again. Hold on, why the hell is my traction control at 5 and my wheel control? These are not my settings. That's 1000. What the hell? This is weird. Is it my ECU reset or something? And it's idling weird again. Like bad. Oh boy. This tune is gonna be the death of me. There's so much traffic. Nice. Real nice. Some old lady. If I wasn't a nice guy, that mirror would have been destroyed on her car. Sometimes I get stressed out, or not stressed out, just frustrated riding in traffic because I deal with people like that. You know, like if I wasn't at work, I would have hit that car. You gotta always, like, you know, be more on the safe side when you're riding in traffic. My knees. The jeans is rubbing on them. Nope. I don't remember this being this bumpy. Literally both cars. Huh? I know, right? Just wanted to test out if the bike is still stuttering. at those RPMs since the whole idling thing is off again, and for whatever reason my traction control and all these settings were all switched back to the stock form. I wonder if it's the same with the race settings. Let's see. Yeah, it's the same. What the hell? Well, that's frustrating. Wow, the shifts are actually much smoother in race mode. I saw his shadow and I thought he was right next to me. Literally every time getting cut off and by people and shit like that. See, I'm gonna put all of these in the video. I usually don't put this type of stuff in the videos just because it's kind of boring, but I'm gonna put it on just to show you guys. I know I'm realizing more and more that I have a lot of big portion of my audience are people that like either don't ride or are new to riding. So I want all of you guys to see. Oh my god, I just hit a patch of bugs. Literally, you can even see it on my arm. It's all over my helmet, probably my bike too, and we're still hitting them. God damn, there's like patches of bugs around here. So yeah, I was saying a lot of my audience is like kind of new, so I want you guys to see how people drive, and because like you have to like somewhat be alert and expect stuff like this to happen. That's how like you try to avoid accidents most of the time. And don't assume that like, you know, cars are just gonna go straight. And I know I'm guilty of that. What the hell is smoking over here? I'm guilty of that too, because sometimes I speed and I filter lanes and I just assume that cars are gonna go straight. But most of the time, like especially in traffic like what you guys are seeing right now, I try to look around, scan, and expect these cars to cut me off, which as you guys saw, I got cut off like closely at least 3 times today, you know? So it happens. I was so confused. I was like, is that bus going straight? Seems like they are busy. Hold on, I can't hear. What?
The clutch is louder than the bike.
Yeah, when I'm going slow it is. The struggle. You know what? I'm gonna keep it in gear just so the bike doesn't roll because it is on a hill. Yeah, all the bug splats that I ran over. New carbon piece looking good. I'm excited to hear your new exhaust. It's gonna be nice. Just the amount of cars that cut me off.
That was freaking crazy.
So many. The worst one was the one right by the beach. That lady that just, yeah, I was like, oh. Yep. She didn't even look. Yeah, literally, she didn't look. She didn't.
And then she got over and I went to the other lane. And she still didn't freaking move. And this freaking truck right here too. And that Tesla,
yeah.
That Tesla was about to pull out. I was like, dude, what the hell is going on right now?
Traffic, man. At least the weather was nice. Yeah, if I wasn't a nice guy, that lady in the Star, I would have just smacked her mirror. But I saw she was like an old.
I was like,
dude, I was tempted, but she's an older lady. I was like, you know.
I was like, if K flips her off, I'm hitting her. I was like, screw it.
Yeah, hectic as hell. Alright, I'm gonna end the vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the new bike. Let me know in the comments, as I said, if you guys like the old or the new design better. And stay alert when riding, especially in traffic, as you guys saw. That's pretty much it. Peace out, ride safe.